In this video, we will show you the JustCall tutorial. If you guys want to get started with JustCall, you can use the links down in the description. First, visit the website and create an account using your email or sign up with a Google account. Once logged in, you can select a phone number from a variety of local or toll-free options, depending on your business needs. After that, you'll need to connect JustCall to your devices. It works with desktop apps for both Windows and Mac, as well as mobile apps for iOS and Android, so just install the app and log in. Next, customize your settings in the dashboard, such as call forwarding, voicemail, or IVR, interactive voice response to streamline call routing. To make a call, make sure the app is open and notifications are enabled. JustCall also provides detailed analytics and reports, allowing you to track key metrics like call duration, missed call, and agent performance. Additionally, it integrates with CRM platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and more, enabling smooth syncing of customer data and call logs. Overall, JustCall is a user-friendly tool for business communication, offering a range of customizable features. So that's the tutorial of JustCall. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with JustCall. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.